Did you shoot a video with your GoPro and now everything looks bent and curved? Walls look rounded, straight lines look completely crooked, and your footage looks distorted, ruined. This is called fisheye distortion, and in Filmora 15, you can fix it in just a few clicks. No complicated settings, no plugins needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. First, open Filmora 15. Create a new project. Import your distorted video clip, then drag it onto the timeline. Now click on your clip to select it. Look at the right side panel. Go to the Video tab. Click on Basic. Now look for lens correction. Toggle the switch to turn it on. Watch what happens to your footage. The distortion starts to correct. Immediately, straight lines become straight again. Walls look completely flat again. The fisheye effect is gone. But wait, there is one more important step. Look at the device model dropdown. Click on it, select your camera model. For example, GoPro Hero 10. Filmora has built-in presets for all popular action cameras. Selecting your exact model gives you the most accurate correction. Now look at the resolution section below. Select the resolution you used while recording. For example, 1080p wide, 4K wide, 2.7K super view. Matching the correct resolution is very important. It makes the correction perfect. Pro tip, if your camera model is not in the list, go to the Video tab in the right panel. Look for the Transform section. Manually adjust the distortion slider. Drag it slowly to the right until the fisheye effect disappears. Now look at the preview window. See the difference? Before, curved, distorted footage. After, clean, flat, professional-looking video. Exactly the same clip, but now it looks like it was shot on a completely normal camera. If this tutorial saved your footage, please hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I reply to every single one. And subscribe for more Filmora 15 tutorials every week. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to fix fisheye lens in Filmora 15. See you in the next one.